Cappuccino Market Watch. As you know, some assets have a strong correlation with others. Or, in other words, in market fluctuations some assets vary in the same direction. Thus, fluctuations in other assets can help you anticipate the price movement of the financial asset you are trading. It is for this reason that Cappuccino also offers this tool. Market Watch is a frame containing a table containing a list of assets represented on several different time frames. In the upper right corner, Market Watch has 3 buttons. Close button, Setup button, gear-shaped. Details button, shaped like a magnifying glass. When pressed, the asset table view shows more detail for each asset. The asset table can be shown in 2 different ways. In the first, the summary frames are positioned horizontally, where the asset names are placed at the beginning of each line, followed by the selected time frames. In the second, the summary frames are positioned vertically, where the name of the assets are placed at the top of each column, with lines formed by the selected time frames. In the summary presentation, each frame shows 2 pieces of information. The first is the percentage change from the opening. The second is an arrow, green or red, indicating whether the price has gone up or down. When the Details button is pressed, the information frames expand and show 8 important pieces of information. The first is the percentage change from the opening, followed by the open value, the close value, the maximum value, the minimum value, the real volume, the tick volume, and a graphical representation of the candle formed in this time frame. The latter can be displayed in green or red to indicate whether it is a bullish or bearish candlestick. Market Watch configuration. To open the configuration panel, just press the gear-shaped button. The configuration panel has 3 tabs: General Configuration tab, Filters tab, and Symbols tab. In the General tab you can define the name of the configuration profile. You can have multiple instances of Market Watch open simultaneously, so it might be interesting to have unique settings for each one. To insert a new profile, select the option Create New through the combo. After that, make the necessary changes and save the new profile. To change the name, click on the combo and a text box will appear in its place. Then you enter the new name and save. Remember that the space key is a Metatrader terminal hotkey, so whenever it is pressed, the Cappuccino application will lose focus and a new click will be required to continue editing. Background color. Color for header font. Font size. It should be noted that the font size determines the size of the presentation frame. Table orientation. Horizontal or vertical. Just below there is a set of checkboxes where you select which time frames you want to be displayed. The second tab is for configuring filters. Filters are actually a set of rules that highlight variations in price. Let's say you want to know when the variance is greater than 5%. To do this, you insert a new filter where you define the type, bull or bear, the percentage value you want, the font color, and the background color for the filter. When installing Cappuccino, the system inserts 4 filters: 2 for bullish variations and 2 for bearish variations. To edit or delete these filters, just click on one of them and edit the new values. Or press the delete button to remove it from the system. In the third tab, you can find the list of assets that are present in the Market Watch of the Metatrader terminal. Next to each asset, there is a checkbox, which you use to define which asset should be listed. These are the features of Market Watch. Be sure to also watch the videos of the other Cappuccino tools. Times and trades, grouping module, last minute, and offer book. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next.